on popular demand, I'm back with another book haul. And that too in collaboration with Bookchor. You guys know how much I like this brand. I've talked about it time and again on my channel. These guys have just sent me this box, alright? They haven't paid me to say the things that I'm saying. This is just my honest review. And these days they have this event going on, that is Lock the Box sale. Now in Lock the Box, usually Lock the Box sale is a sale which happens in each city. However, due to lockdown, they have gone online and it's going on right now in Tamil Nadu. Now the great part is, even if you don't stay in Tamil Nadu, you can join this event just by clicking the link in the description box below and shop as much as you want, not according to the prices of the books but based on these boxes. So these people have three kinds of boxes. The first box is called the Odysseus box, the price of which is $11.99, and you can get around, you can fit around 8 to 10 books in that box. The second category is the Perseus box, and it costs rupees 1799, and you can fit around 15 to 17 books easily in that. The last and the third category is the Hercules box, which is the biggest box, and it costs rupees 2999, and you can fit around 28 to 30 books in it. Okay, so here is the box. This is surely a blooper. Okay. So here is the box, alright. I'm just gonna unbox it. तो मैंने करा क्या था last time कि मैंने एक हाथ पे ले लिया था, तो slip हो रहा है क्योंकि ये heavy है. But anyways, now let's just open it. I want to do it this way just so that it's in the frame and you guys enjoy watching this video. It's so satisfying, I know it. So yeah, first इसको काटते हैं. Okay, मुझे लगा था मेरे हाथ से नहीं होगा. मुझे करना पड़ेगा. Let's go. Done? Oh my god, it's done. Here it is, and I can see something special. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, I did not expect this, but these guys have offered something special to me, so thank you, Bookchor. I think this is a bag or something, I believe. No, it's a cushion, I guess. No, it's a bag. It's a tote bag. Look at it. Isn't it nice? It is. I like it. And now let's get started. I can already, you know, smell the smell of books. So yeah, I wish I could have kept one camera here. ताकि सब कुछ दिखता रहता है. This is the box. This is the first wrapper. And look at it. Doesn't it look beautiful? All these frills. मतलब मेरे को बिल्कुल gift wrapping वाली feeling आ रही है. Like these guys have gifted me books. And I can see bookmarks and I can see my books. So, oh, I have seen some brooches. Are these called brooches? I'm not sure what are these called, but I have four of these. So we have some bookmarks, not some, but quite a few. Like I think these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 10 bookmarks. Jaldi, let's hurry up. Alright, I think I need to take out these books, otherwise this video will never end. And I can see the first book right here, and it's a hardcover. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm holding such a pretty book, and that too by Amitav Ghosh. Sorry, it's The Glass Palace by Amitav Ghosh, and the condition, I assume it to be an almost new copy. Look at it, except the dust jacket, that is the outer jacket. The pages seem of such a good quality. Look at it. Yeah, and it smells so fresh as well. The pages, everything, there is no spot, not even one spot. Let me check the price at which it is available. So it's available at 390 rupees, and the condition that they say, this one is in good condition. I would say it's an almost new copy. So if you don't know, there are 4 types of categories on Bookchor. They have readable, that's the least one. They have good, then they have almost new, and new copies. So these are the 4 conditions. This one is in good condition, available for 390 rupees. Next, I have No Man's Land by David Baldacci. If you have been following me, you know that I loved Memory Man by David Baldacci. It is one of my favorite thrillers. If you haven't watched my review, go check out the video right here. I've shared few of my favorite thrillers and recommendations for you as well. There I've talked about Memory Man in detail, and which is why I thought of trying more of his books, and No Man's Land is one such book I'm looking forward to be reading. I definitely do have high expectations from it, and after getting a hardcover, I'm more excited to read this book. The page quality, it looks like a new copy. The pages, the hardcover is for 384 rupees in almost new quality. If you buy a paperback, it's available for 200 rupees. Next, I have here a paperback, and that is Altered Carbon. Now, this one actually looks like a new copy. Yes, I think it's a new copy because it smells like, like a new copy as well, if you know what I mean. Yes, it's actually a new copy, and it's available for 407 rupees. Let me check the actual price. The actual price is 599 rupees. So they are definitely offering some discount on it. I'm sure you would have seen the Netflix adaptation. I haven't seen it, but I have heard a lot of praises. Looking forward to be reading this one as well very soon. Next, I have a bestseller, and you'll be surprised that I haven't read The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking. No, I haven't, but I've obviously heard a lot. It's a bestseller. It's a thin book. I think I'll be able to complete it very soon. Wisdom. Now, this one is priced for 199 rupees, and I assume it's a new copy. Let me check. Yes, it's a new copy, and it's priced at rupees 143. Next, I have Freakonomics. All right. Yes, I am not a commerce graduate, nor do I know anything about commerce, but I'm quite intrigued with this subject, and I've heard that this is like an easiest book if you want to learn about economics, and it's a good read, which is why I ordered Freakonomics. And this is a paperback. All right. Now, this one seems like an old copy. The pages are yellow, and you just know that it's an old copy. Here you can see some cracks, and the color of the cover, here you can see the cover is bent a bit. It's folded, not bent. So the price at which it is available is 175. The original price is 499. Okay. Heads You Win by Jeffrey Archer, and it's actually wrapped in a plastic sheet. Let me open it. Now, this feels good. Unwrapping it. All right. This is, I think, a thriller. It's #1 bestseller. I haven't read any of Jeffrey Archer's book again, but I've heard a lot. So yeah, let's see. This is actually a new copy, I feel. Yes, because it was wrapped with a plastic sheet as well. And the condition, as I said, it looks like a new copy. Let me check the price. Yes, it's actually a new copy, and it's priced at rupees 454 rupees. Love, Rosie. Yes, I have watched the movie. I honestly did not enjoy it. Yes, I did not. I mean, I don't know. I did not enjoy it, but I've heard that the book is better than the movie, and there was a lot that was omitted in the movie. There were a lot of scenes omitted, and the characters were different in the movie, in the book than the movie. So, which is why I thought of reading the book, and I did not expect it to be so thick. I thought it would be a bit thinner. However, I'm excited, and this one seems like an almost new copy, or in good condition. The pages are a bit yellow. However, the condition seems fine. Like, it's totally fine. There aren't any folds. There aren't any spots. Though the cover has a bit dust, and so yeah, that's what I would say. Yes, as I said, this is actually an almost new copy, and it's priced at rupees 200. Fair. I think this is a fair deal. I'm sure you would have heard about Love, Rosie. And yeah, last but not the least, yes, it's the last copy. It's the last copy is The Last Mughal. It's by William Dalrymple. I'm butchering that surname, but so I like reading history a lot, okay, and I've been searching. I search a lot on history. What are the good books to read on history, on Indian history and stuff like that. I'm not from humanities background, which is why I haven't read a lot of social studies subject, you know, history, geography, but I am keen on knowing these subjects. So I have a few history books on my shelf already, and I've read some ebooks as well, but I feel like reading books like especially non-fiction and knowledgeable books, you know, the books which have content, historical books, geographical books, philosophical books, I feel comfortable reading a physical copy of them, which is why I bought this one. Now the condition, this one seems like an old copy, okay, quite an old copy, okay. It has spots, yellow spots here, definitely not in good condition. I wouldn't say it's in good condition. Let me check what they mention here. Yeah, it's the least condition, that is the readable condition. It's priced at rupees 210. 210, I don't know if I would spend that much money on this book, because as I said, the condition is not so good. So yeah, go on, click the link in the description box below, check out Bookchore and join the Lock the Box sale in Tamil Nadu just by clicking the link in the description box below. And yeah, with that said, I'll see you later with another video. Until then, bye bye.